So in the last section, we saw how Express routing and React Router work. In this section, we'll go over CORS, which stands for Cross-Origin Resource Sharing. To give you a basic summary of what CORS is, it's essentially a React frontend that's running on localhost 3000, pretending like and making requests as if it's located at localhost 5000. And it's doing this through the proxy. And again, the proxy is something we set up in the previous section. So that's a little bit where cross-origin comes from. So our original origin is localhost 3000, but then we're crossing origins, and then we're making it appear as if the origin is from localhost 5000. So let's look at a sample Axios request on the right hand side. So we have axios.get/API/getPost, and this is similar to the /hello we saw in the first section. And notice it's a relative path. We're not specifying an origin or a host for this path. And because it's a relative path and it's located on our React frontend, which is running at localhost, when we do axios.get/API/getPost, we're really doing axios.get localhost 3000/API/getPost. But because we're running a proxy, we're doing it as if it's located at localhost 5000. And remember, our Express server is also running, so this means localhost 5000/API/getPost matches the route that we set up in our Express server. And because the routes match, the code inside the code block is executed. So basically, our localhost 3000, which is our React, is pretending to be localhost 5000, which is what allows it to make API requests to our Express server. So this is basically what CORS is and how our React frontend communicates with our Express server.